We are at Petawawa Junction, which is going to be refurbished. We have 90 kilometers of old poles. A lot of them are so full of holes that they're ready to fall down within the next storm.
With the wood poles, eventually they come to the end of their lifespan and they start to deteriorate. You start to get wood cracking and some rotting.
If we don't replace this line, then we run into a situation where we're at risk of putting the town of Petawawa in the dark. There's a lot of economic advantages when we come into an area like this. We're going to have probably 60 to 80 employees on here. They're going to inject a lot of dollars into the town.